Okay students, so in the last video we have completed up to question number 8 and 9. I have given you homework, but one student asked me 9 number D1. So let's see 9D. After that we will discuss rest of the question from 10 to 14. Okay, so 9 number D, what you have to do in this, you have to divide here, and there is also one number 2 to the power 3 divide. So you can see the base are different but the power is same. In this case, which rule we apply? We divide and give one power. And okay, so minus 3 by 4 divided by this. So if you are dividing, you will make it reciprocal and the sign will change. Divide will become multiply and give one power. Okay, means from this 2 we will give one of the power. Now 2 to the power 3. Complete the bracket work. 2 2 ja 4, minus minus will be plus. So 3 by 5 2 ja 10 cube divided by 2 to the power 3. Now this and this we will divide. Again nothing is there. So means again the base are different but the power is same. So again we will divide it. Divide means make it reciprocal. To divide means multiply sign will come down. No, come here. Now 3 1 ja 3 by 10 2 ja 20 to the power 3. So its answer you have to write, because it is simplify. You don't have to write in exponential form. So we will simplify it. 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27 by 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 0 0 0, 8000. This is the answer. Okay. Now question number 10. You have to simplify this and express the result as a power of 10. Means whatever the result will come, you have to express the result in power of 10 only. Okay, so 3 by 17 to the power 7, curly bracket closes. Now divided by 3 by 17 to the power 8, multiply by 3 by 17 to the power 10. So first of all, this bracket work we will do. This is multiply, base is same. So whenever the base is same, we add up the power. 11 plus 17. Okay, and divided by, again the base is same. So we will again add up the power. 3 by 17 to the power 8 plus 10. Now 3 by 17 to the power what? 18 divided by 3 by 17 to the power 18. So 3 by 17 to the power, this is divide, base is same. So power we subtract the power. 18 minus 18. So 3 by 17 to the power 0. 0 means 1. And 1 means we can again express in the power of 10 said. So for 1 we can write 10 to the power 0 also, because any numbers power is 0. I told you that any numbers power is 0, it equals to 1. So for this we can write 10 to the power 0, because answer said to express in the power of 10. That's why we can write it like this. Got it? Now question number 11. Determine the value of x in each of the following. Means here you have to find out the value of x. Now see how to find out the value of x. Question number 11. It's a number. 3 cube curly bracket 7 is equal to 3 to the power 7x. Now 3 to the power 7 3 is a 21 is equal to 3 to the power 7x. As I told you, whenever the base are same, we can equate the power. So this is equal to this. 21 is equal to 7x, or you can write 7x is equal to 21. You can shift this one this side and this one this side. Now x value you have to find. So this 7 is in multiply, it will come down in divide. 7 3s are 21. So x value is equal to what? 3. Got it? Similarly, it's b number. Minus 2 to the power 11 divided by minus 2 to the power 9 is equal to minus 2 to the power 2x. You have to find out the value of x. So you can see base are same. Whenever the base is same, we subtract the power. Now minus 2 to the power 11 minus 9, 2. Okay. Now base is same, we can equate the power. 2 is equal to 2x, or you can bring 2x here and 2 this side. X is equal to 2 by 2, so x is equal to 2 1 ja 2. So 1 will be the answer. X value is 1. Got it? Got it now? Now C number. Its C number is also simple. I think I should leave it for you. Power x minus 21. Okay, let's see. 47 to the power x divided by 47 to the power 21 is equal to 47 to the power 45. So you know base is same and we are dividing. So we will subtract the power. X minus 21 is equal to 47 to the power 45. Now 47, here also 47. So we can equate the power because bases are same. You have to find out the value of x. So this minus 21 will shift this side, then its sign will get changed. It minus will become plus. 5 plus 2, 7 and 57. X value we have got how much? No, here 12 I have written. By mistake, it will be 21 plus 20. This is 21, no? Now 5 plus 1, 6. 4 plus 2, 6. X value will be 66. Got it? Now it's D number. D number is also easy. You can do it. Question number 11, D. 2 by 3 to the power 26 divided by 2 by 3 to the power 22 is equal to 2 by 3 to the power x. Again the base are same and we are dividing. So we will subtract the power. Now 26 minus 22 will be equal to what? 6 minus 2, 4. Okay, and 2 minus 2, 0. 2 by 3 to the power x. So you can see base are same, so we can equate the power. So therefore x is equal to 4 is the answer. Clear? Now question number 12. Simplify. You have to simplify and express this not in exponential form. Whenever the simplify is written means you have to break it and write the proper its value. Now you can see minus 1 by 3 to the power 2 to the power minus 2 to the power minus 1 means power over power we will multiply the power. So minus 1 by 3 minus minus will be plus. 2 2s are 4, 4 1s are 4. Can we write it like this? Now minus 1 by 3 to the power 4. So minus 1 by 3 into minus 1 by 3 into minus 1 by 3 into minus 1 by 3 4 times. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. Minus minus plus, minus minus plus. So answer will be in plus 1 by 81. Okay. You can see it's B number. Minus 2 by 3 to the power 9 divided by minus 2 by 3 to the power 3. So you can see base are same. Whenever base is same, we divide the what? Power. So minus 2 by 3 to the power 9 minus 3 will be equal to 6. So minus 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3 and minus 2 by 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. Now 6 times even numbers, so all the minus sign will change into plus, minus minus plus, minus minus plus, minus minus plus. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64. And 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81, 81 3s are what? 243 and 243 into 3 you will get 729. Multiply and get the answer. Okay. Now it's C number. I am leaving it for you. D number. 3 to the power minus 1 minus 5 to the power minus 1 to the power minus 1. How to do such questions? If it is a power in minus, then we can write in inverse form. 3 to the power 1, 5 to the power 1 in plus, and there is minus 1. First we will calculate this. Take the LCM. 5 and 3. We will get here 15. Now 3 5s are 15, 5 3s are 5 minus 3 to the power minus 1, then 5 minus 3, then it will be equal to what? 2 by 15 to the power minus 1. It is minus 1 inverse, means we have to write its reciprocal. 1 by 2 by 15 to the power 1 in plus. So it will come in reciprocal. 15 by 2 will be the answer. Okay. C number I am leaving it for you for homework. It is very easy. You can do it just like this. Now question number 13. P by Q is equal to minus 2 by 3 to the power 9 divided by minus 2 by 3 to the power 8. We have to find the value of what? P by Q square. Its value we have to find. Okay. So how to find out its value, students? It's very simple. First of all, find out the value of P by Q. So P by Q is equal to, you can see base is same. So whenever the base is same, we subtract the power. 9 minus 8. So P by Q is equal to minus 2 by 3 to the power what? 1. 9 minus 1. 9 minus 8 will be equal to 1. But we have to find the value of P by Q square. So squaring on both sides. We will do the squaring on both sides. Both sides take the square. You know, maths rule, we have to do both the side. If anything we are doing, we have to do it both the side to maintain the equality. Now P by Q to the power 2, and here power 2 means 2 2 ja 4 and minus plus, and 3 3 is a 9. So its answer will be 4 by 9. Got it? Question number 14 is just like question number 13. So I am leaving it for you. It is very simple. 18 minus 16 will be equal to what? Power 2. Okay? Can you do it? Let's see. If you can't do it, let's see. I will do for you. 3 by 4 to the power 18 minus 16, because it is in divide. So we will find out the difference. So 3 by 4 to the power 18 minus 16 will be equal to what? 2. Now we have to find out the value of P by Q ka square. Okay, so we will again do squaring on both sides. So P by Q is square, but there is already a square here. So we will give one more square, because we are squaring on both sides. Now P by Q square is equal to what? 3 by 4 to the power 2 2 ja 4. Its power will be 4. So P by Q square is equal to 3 by 4 into 3 by 4 into 3 by 4 into 3 by 4. 3 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 27, 27 3 is a what? 81, 4 4 is 16, 4 4 is 16, 16 16, 256. This will be the answer. So complete this exercise. Next day we will deal scientific notation of numbers.